are the essential components of our migration approach? What tools would I hate to be without? So for you today, I've prepared my current top 5 essential tools for migrating. The first is the Atlassian Cloud Migration Guide. They originally prepared this guide very close to when they announced the server product end of life, and they have continued to refine it over the years. Their guide forms the backbone of our approach. And I've already said, if you do nothing else, read this guide and then read it again. The second essential tool is a new one, and it's Atlassian organization training. Weird, right? It's because the single biggest change when adopting cloud is understanding how Atlassian combines your product sites under your new cloud organization and how that transformed user and group management. Atlassian recently released relatively inexpensive online training that helps you in understanding how you will manage your cloud organization. And they also have training for their new cloud product, Access, which is used for enterprise-grade identity and access management for your user base. We strongly encourage all our migration clients to take this training, as this knowledge is essential to administering your cloud products and is a critical aspect of your cloud onboarding. Plus, I believe this training will help you understand the changes that may be required to your organization's user and group management policies and procedures as you move from the server to the cloud. My third essential tool is a migration runbook. The runbook is your migration script. It describes what will be done, when, by whom, and how long it will take. A good runbook makes no assumptions and will provide visibility for migration progress and for verification. Atlassian requires that all migration projects include a migration runbook. Plus, while they do provide a spreadsheet template for their runbook in their guide, we prefer to leverage Confluence for the migration runbooks we prepare for our clients. And I'll say a little bit more about Confluence in a bit. The fourth essential tool is the cloud migration apps provided by Atlassian. They migrate Jira, Confluence, and Bitbucket. They each have their own apps, and they all go by a similar acronym pattern. So it's the JCMA, the CCMA, and the BCMA. You cannot migrate your product data without using these apps. This is the only way to migrate data from your server to the cloud. The Cloud Migration Assistant apps also support migrating many third-party apps, and these apps are the cornerstone of the migration. And my final, in our case, one of the most important migration tools we use is Confluence. Yeah, Confluence. For all of our migration projects, we create a dedicated Confluence space that we share with our clients. We use this space to collaborate with the client team and to document every aspect of the assessment, planning, preparation, and testing. We use Confluence Pages as the migration runbook. We leverage Confluence Actions to track tasks. This Confluence Cloud space is an example, by the way, of the immersive and hands-on education and guidance we provide as a partner. As our clients collaborate with us, they also get exposure to Confluence Cloud.